this is something that's personal to me, and I've talked about it on the show. People in his administration denied that Trump called Haiti a black husband is Haitian. In your book on page 220, you said when you told Trump that you would be going to Haiti as part of a delegation for the presidential inauguration, he said, quote, "Why did you choose the foreign trip?"
Yeah.
Did Trump call Haiti a...
Couldn't understand why I was so passionate about helping the people of Haiti. I had to remind him about his campaign commitments that he made to the Haitian community. I had to remind him that we have an obligation as the wealthiest country in the world to take care of the poorest country in the world. And he was like, well, I think you should go and play Turnberry and wait until KT McFarland is confirmed and go to a better country. And yes, he referred to that
Singapore.
country as... And,
Look, we glad you came. You know, we're glad you came.
thank you.